Hello guys, this is Saturday, September 13th, and before it gets too hot in here because it's heading for 97 today. Wow, I don't have lipstick on. I look kind of like I'm dead. Well, better fix that. Sorry. Huh. I've been cleaning. Little better. I'm out of breath. My vacuum is not working right, so I've been vacuuming, and then I gotta go in and where the brush is, go in this little hole and pull out all the stuff because it's just, I think I need a new one, but I'm tired of spending money right now, so I am not going to get a new one right now. And I do not have a fancy vacuum. I have the cheapest vacuum that Walmart has that's bagless. So I was going to show you two things today, and then I have another one to show you in a little while. But I got this mouse on Amazon. It's from the design collection from Logitech. And it has this little USB thing that you put in your computer or laptop, and that's how this mouse goes. It's wireless. It says limited edition wireless mouse, 12-month battery life, and with an asterisk, of course. So I don't know if it has a quiet click. My mouse I already have now does, just because I used to take my laptop to the library and all I would hear the whole time I was there, or anytime I was reading, was click, 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 and it's like, oh, I can't take it. So it says soft touch scroll wheel, strong, reliable 10-meter connection, wireless connection, smooth and accurate cursor control. I thought that was cool. Pow. They have a lot of different designs, and you know, it fits really good in your hand. Click, 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 scroll. It fits really good. I don't like those weird looking alien mice that they have. They're just weird, and yeah, you know what I mean. You've probably seen them. But I did get this, and I want to say it was like $16 on Amazon. Then my other thing, I don't have a box for it because I have been wearing them. And I have to tell you, these are the most comfortable shoes I have ever, as old as I am, ever gotten. They're so cushy. It's like you are walking on clouds. I've had them for about 3 weeks now. I've been wearing them to work only. I want to keep them good. And these are, dang it. I didn't mean for that to happen. Let me, hold on. I've had some issues today, let me tell you. I hope it's not going to be one of those days. I had a few issues yesterday, but yesterday turned out good. Okay. These are the Nike Vomero Plus ZoomX. They are, you can't, if I stand on them and smush it down, they just go, here. These are so light. I mean, they're like nothing. Of course, they come in different colors, but our colors at work have black in it, so that's why I bought them. Plus, black doesn't show a lot of dirt and things. But these are the comfiest shoes ever. There's the back. There's the side. These things are reflective. There's the top. Oh my gosh, I cannot say it enough how cushy these are. The only thing is, they are pricey, which I don't know if you've bought tennis shoes lately that aren't on sale, because these are not on sale, because there's the other one, because these just came out. These are $180 a pair. Yeah, $180 a pair. Nike has gotten high since the tariffs. I love Trump, but the prices are pricey. If I can afford it, I would get another color. I mean, these are like extraordinary shoes. I can't, like I said, go somewhere and try them on and see what you think. There's the name, Vomero. Do you see it? Try them on at least and walk around. These are so comfy. I just want to walk around. I'm not kidding. It is crazy. It is so crazy. I love these shoes. They come in other colors. They're other than black. I bought these off Nike.com. Had them shipped to the office. But I cannot say it enough how cushy these are. And they're so cushy. They're as cushy today as they were when I first tried them on out of the box. I did not try these on before I bought them. I just got them because I liked them. They were black. I liked the look. So that's why I bought them. But let me tell you, when I tried these on, I was floored. I could not believe it. If you are on your feet all day, you need these shoes. Even if you're not on your feet all day, you need these shoes. They are great. Man, they are great. I just got to save money now so I can buy another pair. These are terrific. These are terrific. I'm not exaggerating. I have nothing to do with Nike. They don't pay me. They don't give me anything. I bought these with my money. And you know how I love shoes. And these are something. I wish my mom could get a pair. She would just love them. Love them. But she just got a pair or so of other shoes. So she's probably not going to get a pair now. But anyway, these are the greatest pair of shoes I have owned. I wouldn't say they're not the fanciest. Now there are some colors. There's this kind of a pink. I wouldn't say it's not bright pink. A pink pair that has blue along here. That's probably the pair I would get next. But yeah, they're not. They have other colors. They're not the spiffiest and fanciest, but I think they are running shoes. I can see why. These would take you forever. So, yeah. So that's the unboxings. This isn't really an unboxing, and this isn't either because I didn't really take it out, but I'm going to in a little bit. That I just got recently. It is hotter than crap out. It's supposed to be 97 degrees today. Hot, hot, hot. I am just like dying right now. I have a fan behind me. I'm having hot flashes, which I have had them since probably June, and they just kill me. They are the most horrible things ever. And I have had heat stroke, and I don't know if it's because I've had heat stroke. I don't know if it's because of my age, because I am 58, and I was taking birth, just be honest, we're all people here, birth control for a long time, because when I didn't, it gave me bad headaches. And so when I went off of it, it's like, oh my God, this is so bad. I mean, it makes me want to just melt. It makes me want to lay down on the ground and just close my eyes and faint. They are so bad. I'm not having one now. You can see I'm sweaty, but it's just because it's hot over here. But I could feel it coming when my face starts getting hot. And my face just, it's like my face is exploding. My face gets so sweaty, and I just, sometimes I have to sit here and lean on something. I have to get my face in a fan. I have to, I don't know what you guys have experienced. This is terrible. My mom said she didn't have nothing like this. And then at night, they happen at night, I'm just like throwing stuff off. Sometimes I don't even sleep with covers. I am a cover person. Even if it's super hot, I at least want a sheet around me. Not like around me, but kind of over me. But I stick arms and stuff out. But I get one blanket near me and I'm shoving it away. I mean, at night it wakes me up. It keeps me up. I have a fan next to my bed in case I need it. Tanning is like horrific. Having one in the tanning bed is like death, let me tell you. I am going to quit tanning after tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Renaissance Festival, and I'm wearing a fairy costume that I made up myself. And I just wanted to tan tomorrow, and then, because it's what, the 14th, and then I'm done. I'm going to quit. You'd be surprised how fast my tan goes, let me tell you. But anyway, these hot flashes are just horrible. I was in the other room putting up a camera in my laundry room, and I was trying to screw in these little tiny screws. I had to quit. I had to sit there and put my head on the washing machine because I just could not take it. I don't know how it's going to be at the Renaissance Festival tomorrow. It's supposed to be 92, and hopefully I won't mess anybody else up because I'm slow or because I got to sit or whatever, but I'm hoping it works out okay. These things are killers. I cannot wait till they're over. They're just horrible. Terrible. So anyway, that's all I have for you right now. Saturday the 13th. Yesterday was iPhone ordering day. I actually pre-ordered, I think it was Tuesday. I got an email saying pre-order, so I picked out what I wanted. I got the iPhone 17 Pro Max, 256 gigabyte, which I wrestled with that. But I'm going to really try my hardest to get my pictures off of there so I don't use up so much storage. And I got the AirPods Pro 3, which I ordered on the 9th, which was the Apple announcement day. So when I ordered my phone, it was 7 a.m. our time, 5 a.m. California time. 7 o'clock hit. I was on that Apple app. That's how I buy mine. And it just kept saying, we'll be right back. We'll be right back. I'm like, what the heck? I kept clicking it. It was almost 5 after 7 before the Apple store opened up. So I ordered my phone, and it said ship date the 25th. I'm like, 25th? It's supposed to, the soonest ship date is the 19th, which is next Friday. And I have always managed to be able to have all my phones and watches shipped on the first ship day. I mean, I would get up in the middle of the night if it was that time to order my phone. So, I'm like, what the heck? But I'm like, oh well, you know, it was like 3, 4, 5 minutes late getting up. So, I mean, on the App Store. So that many people in the whole world ordering phones, you know. So then I checked yesterday and it said ship date would be the 19th. So I don't know when it's coming. I'm hoping it's coming Friday the 19th. I will stay in for lunch that whole day just in case. I do not want to miss the UPS guy. Do not want to miss. So I have a program with Apple where I basically lease my phone so I can get a brand new one every year. So since I ordered my phone will come. I will switch everything over, And then a few days later, they will send me a cardboard shipping little box. And I will clean up my phone. I will put it back to factory settings and send it back to Apple. So in order to get my new one, I send the old one back. So that's what I do. In the old days, when you had 2-year contracts, I would usually sell mine and then, you know, get the new one. So anyway, that's what went on. Yesterday was more training. Yesterday was a pretty good day. So that's all I have for now. I have another unboxing coming up, which I'm not quite sure how I'm going to film that. I'll have to see if I can even do it. You'll find out what it is. So anyway, happy weekend, happy Saturday. And I'm going to spend the day trying to pick up and organize. And I'd like to sit outside, but I don't know if I could stand it being so hot. I have this little fan that I take with me. It's a USB. You plug in and charge it. I don't know how that's going to work, but we shall see. I got a Walmart pickup 5 to 6. So I did that just because I just didn't want my whole day waiting around for a Walmart pickup. So anyway, all right, guys, I will see you later.